What's going on, guys? Today we're here with a 2015 Chrysler 300. Unfortunately, my customer here has been pouring his heart and soul and wallet into this vehicle. He has just replaced everything under the sun. Thought it was a fuel pump, took out the whole back seat. I mean, he's just been going nuts on this thing trying to figure it out. And it turned out to be this fuse right here. This had a 10 amp fuse in there. It was supposed to be a 25. We took the intake out. We were looking at all this spark plugs, ignition coils, and everything over here, but it turned out to just be this fuse right there. And I'm gonna tell you guys what that is. 34 here. Okay, so that's gonna be a ASD feed number 1, and it had a crank and no start. We thought it might be fuel related. It was just that fuse starts up. It's running good. He's doing an oil change now, but that's it for today, guys. So always check your fuses first.